To a medium skillet, add diced onion, carrots, and celery. Cook for about 10 minutes, sprinkle in a teaspoon of flour and stir until fully combined. Slowly add the low-sodium chicken broth, stirring continuously until the broth thickens. Stir in your leftover green beans and leftover turkey, add some dried thyme, and salt and pepper to taste, before mixing thoroughly. Transfer the filling to a personal-sized ramekin, top with 3/4 cup of creamy cauliflower mash, and bake at 375 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Allow to cool for a few minutes before serving, and enjoy! Combine paprika, cumin, garlic powder, and brown sugar. Mix some shredded turkey with orange juice and the seasoning mixture until well combined. To a skillet over medium-low heat, add sliced onion and your seasoned turkey. Cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the turkey is heated through and the onions are softened. Divide the turkey mixture among 2 warm whole wheat tortillas. Then top each taco with diced red onion and fresh cilantro. Serve right away and enjoy! Combine the leftover stuffing, shredded turkey, cauliflower mash, and gravy. Add garlic and onion powder and salt and pepper to taste. Mix until well combined. Take about 1/4 cup of the mixture and roll it into a ball before placing on a lined air fryer basket. Repeat that and then air fry at 375 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, turning them halfway through for even cooking. Grab some whole wheat tortillas, spread some gravy, top that with stuffing, shredded turkey, a dollop of cranberry sauce, and fresh spinach. Fold it up and toast in a skillet over low heat until golden. Now you've got a high-protein, low-calorie wrap that's bursting with flavor. In a medium saucepan, heat up some low-sodium tomato soup and salt and pepper to taste. Then add your leftover mac and cheese, stirring occasionally for 5 to 7 minutes until warmed through. Once heated, transfer the mixture to a bowl, serve hot, and enjoy your creamy, comforting mac and cheese soup. And that's it! These Thanksgiving leftover recipes are a great way to enjoy your favorite flavors while staying on track with your health goals. Give these a try and don't forget to subscribe to Noom for more helpful content.